I used it.
Hello! We're making something. I don't know. Mine looks like slime.
Cloud slime? You need more cornstarch.
Probably.
Alright, so what did we do here, Ava?
So we put corn, whatever that thing is.
We put 1 cup of cornstarch.
Cornstarch. And
And
then
some
we
more.
put 1 scoop of
And
conditioner.
half a cup of conditioner.
Half a
We found this conditioner in the basement. It's old. It's expired. Nobody wants to use this. So
We're using
it
it
is
for
free
this.
of sulfates and parabens though, which is cool. So we're making cloud slime. And they're having a great time.
Yeah.
It's very tactile. You can really get in there and pound it and squeeze it. Do you need more cornstarch?
Probably.
How is it? Is it still sticky?
Yeah.
We just add the cornstarch until it's not too sticky anymore. And then we add glitter and dye, food coloring.
Yeah.
We use food coloring because
and
we're
we
not
made
using food coloring anymore. And Cassie's adding a boatload of glitter. Hi, Cassie. Hi, Cassie.
Hi. Look at her pajamas.
Oh, her pajamas. And Francis is over here pounding the crap out of his blue slime.
And this is me making my blue slimy slime. And this is going to be perfect squishy. I might eat it.
Mama, it's still sticky.
That's what I do. That's why I add a lot
sticky.
of sprinkles.
Alright, we'll add more cornstarch.
Yeah.
And we used a lot of, hey, don't, no, Ava, stop it. Don't stick your fingers in there. This is food grade cornstarch.
I just need it.
Oh.
No, I can't use it anymore because you got slime in there. But we used some old expired cornstarch that I've been thinking about using for a craft. I was going to use it for,
Too much.
oh, jeez.
I need more dye now.
No, it's fine, Ava, just,
Pound it.
yes.
Ha 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 ha.
I was going to use the cornstarch to make Christmas ornaments, but I never got around to it, and this seemed like a good summertime activity.
Sorry guys, I
Hey,
used
you are getting it all
all
over
of
the
it.
table. Can you keep it in your bowl,
Mom,
please?
I'm super
No.
sorry. This is how it came out.
Oh my god, you dumped it all. Now you have Superman slime. I should put the milk away.
Yeah.
I forgot to put the milk away.
Ow.
Mine doesn't look like the baby's.
Yeah, it does. You just need to take it out of the bowl. You want to add some more color
Yeah.
before you take it out?
Yeah.
Because only add color in the bowl because the coloring like goes everywhere. All right,
More yellow.
no, I think you're as yellow as you're gonna go. But if you want to add another color, then
Wow.
add it now.
Hmm.
You just want to knead it. You're doing beautiful kneading though. I love that how you fold it over and knead it down, fold it. It's like you're making bread. I'm gonna get you making bread. You have perfect technique. Fold it over, smush it down, fold it over, smush it down. Yeah, that's great. That's how you make bread. You're just making pizza dough.
Alright. Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, you satisfied? You want more dye now?
Yes.
You have some
Different
orange
colors.
chunks in there?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Green.
And some green chunks. And Cassie's going crazy with the sparkles over here. Oh,
And
Cassie, that's enough. You can't possibly put any more in there.
okay.
You have reached maximum sparkle capacity. Ooh, Ava, you should use this stuff.
Oh yeah. Especially with my rainbow slime.
I need that.
Hold on, Ava needs some. Go ahead, Ava. Cassie, you have enough of everything. Maybe I need to buy more glitter, I guess.
There you go.
Mom, you have to know what that means.
Yes, Francis. Oh my god, what's going on over here?
I'm just making balls.
Oh. Is that fun?
Too much glitter.
Cassie, stop it!
Guys. And these are balls.
Yeah.
Slime balls. And I'm going to play with them.
I had too much glitter.
It's okay. It's beautiful.
Okay.
I add a lot of glitter.
Cassie, no more glitter. All right, we're gonna clean up now. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Beautiful.
Bye. See you later. I'm just going to make balls for the rest of the day. Bye. Bye.
And I'm gonna knead my bread dough.
Bread dough.